How's your pizza, Ollie?
Good.
What about yours? How good is it?
Daddy, why did you get 4 slices? That's not enough.
Should be enough. Do you like this pizza? How good is it?
Daddy, what is Mommy doing?
She's coming now.
Well, where is she?
She's coming. She's on the train.
On the 504 train?
She's on the 4 train. It's a big bite you're having. Big bite of the pizza.
Oh, so, good pizza, Dad.
Yeah, it is.
Good pizza.
This is the best one you've ever had.
What do you got on it? Sauce?
You say that about every pizza you have.
It has salt.
No salt, cheese and tomato.
How's that?
That's tomato.
Is that sauce?
It is. Oh, sauce. Yeah, it's sauce.
I like the cheese.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Add cheese.
And I've got some fruit for you.
Well, I saw it.
Yeah,
Then.
hey, don't take the fruit
That
out.
one.
Yes, that one.
There's mango.
We've got mango, yeah. Sit down and eat your
Daddy?
pizza. Sit down.
We didn't go to the park today.
Didn't you? What'd you do?
We didn't.
Oh, what'd you do?
A little bit of Daddy, horse.
Wow, there's a horse.
Slow down, Ollie. Slow down those horses. Stop talking with food in your mouth.
That's right, manners. You went to the Spider Museum, didn't you?
Yes.
How was that?
Yeah, there was real spiders and pretend spiders.
Oh, did you touch a real one? No.
That was too dangerous.
Was it? Was it good fun?
Take it. Hello, baby spider.
Did you touch one?
No,
No, why not?
cause don't touch it.
You're not allowed to.
No, you're not. Nobody is. I will kick it.
You kicked it.
Yeah.
Did you kick a spider?
No, just a pretend one, a big one.
Okay.
A gigantic one.
How big?
Bigger and bigger than me.
Bigger than you? Bigger than Ollie?
Yes.
Yeah.
Not bigger than the tree, actually.
Okay. Did you bring a footy?
It's tomato.
Tomato. Do you,
Taste it.
you taste it? Do you like it? How big can you put your one piece in your mouth? How much? Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your
I'll
favourite?
show you how big I can do.
How much can you put in?
2 airplanes.
Oh, that's huge. Ah, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Horsey! Red purple hat.
Oh, a horse, yeah. Let's have a look over there. It is a horsey too. Wow.
Where's the red sandwich?
Sandrine's gone home.
Where's the red sandwich?
Yeah, she went home.
Well, I can't see Mommy anywhere.
She's coming. If you look over that way, she'll probably walk through the field. Can you see her?
No.
No.